Hello children, today we are going to learn second part of your seventh lesson. Your seventh lesson is India, location, border, area and physiography. In the first part, we learned location, border and area of India. In this part, we are going to learn physiography of India. The landform of India is not uniform everywhere. On the basis of variations in the landforms, India can be divided into the following six physiographic divisions. First one, northern mountain ranges. Second, Indian plains. Third, Deccan Plateau. Fourth, coastal plains about western coastal plain and eastern coastal plain. Islands or archipelagos about Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep. And sixth one, Indian desert, that is Thar Desert. First one, the northern mountain ranges. The northern mountains are originate from the Pamir nodes in Central Asia. In India, three significant mountain ranges together form the northern mountains: the Himalayas, the Ladakh range, and the Karakoram range. Of these three, the Himalayas are the highest mountain range of the world. It is known as the Northern Mountain Range. Himalayas span from Kashmir in the north to Arunachal Pradesh in the east. There are three parallel ranges in Himalayas. First one, the Greater Himalayas, the northernmost range towards China. The Greater Himalayas is also known as Himadri. Second, Central Himalayas or Lesser Himalayas or Himachal. It lies in the center. And last one is Shivalik Range or Outer Himalayas, the range towards India. The tallest peak of the world, Mount Everest, its height is 8,848 meters, is located in Himalayan mountain range in Nepal. The tallest peak of India, Mount Godwin Austen, it is also known as K2. Its height is 8,611 meters. It is situated in the Karakoram range. Besides this, there are other tall peaks in Himalayas such as Kanchenjunga. Its height is 8,518 meters. It is located in Sikkim. It is the highest Himalayan peak in India. And Nanda Devi, its height is 7,817 meters. It is located in Uttarakhand. The eastern part of the Himalayas is mountainous. In the eastern Himalayas, Patkai and Lushali hills are located, and the Garo, Khasi, Jaintia and Naga hills spread in east-west direction are in the southern Himalayas. Second one is the northern plains. The northern plains lies south of the Himalayan foothills. Here is the Himalayan ranges, the south of the Himalayan foothills, the northern plains located. And it is stretching from Punjab in the west to Assam in the east. This plain is about 2,500 kilometers in length. The northern plains are formed by the alluvium brought by the Himalayan and peninsular rivers like the Indus, the Ganga, and the Brahmaputra. This plain is considered to be one of the largest alluvial plains of the world. This is prosperous and populated areas of India. Third one, Central and Deccan Plateaus of India. The Central and Deccan Plateaus lies to the south of the plains of North India. The Central and Deccan Plateau of India is very much like a triangle surrounded by water bodies on three sides. That is, in the western side it is Arabian Sea, southern side Indian Ocean, and the eastern side Bay of Bengal. That is, the Deccan Plateau surrounded by water bodies on three sides. So it is called a peninsula. The Rift Valley of the Narmada and the Shan rivers are located in this plateau. This plateau is divided into two parts. Its northern part is known as Malwa Plateau and the southern part is known as Deccan Plateau. This is a prosperous region for mineral resources. It is also a treasure house of many minerals. Fourth one, the coastal plains. The coastal plains lies to the east and west of the Deccan Plateau. The coast is approximately 7,517 km long from Gujarat to West Bengal. The region lying to the east of the Eastern Ghat is known as Eastern Coastal Plain. The northern Circus and Coromandel Coast form the Eastern Coastal Plain. It is famous for fishing industry. Chennai, Puducherry, Visakhapatnam are the well-known ports located on the eastern coastal plain. The region lying to the west of the Western Ghat is known as the Western Coastal Plain. It is narrower than the Eastern Coastal Plain. The Konkan Coast and Malabar Coast form the Western Coastal Plain. It is fertile because it is formed of black fertile soil with alluvium. It is renowned for transportation service and for fishing industry. Some famous ports and cities on this coast are Kandla in Gujarat, Mumbai, Mangaluru, Calicut in Kerala, and Thiruvananthapuram is also in Kerala. Fifth, One is archipelagos or islands, a piece of island smaller than a continent that is surrounded by water are known as island. A group of such many islands form an archipelago. The Lakshadweep and Minicoy Island are situated in the Arabian Sea towards the west of India. Andaman and Nicobar Islands are situated in the Bay of Bengal towards the east of India. The Andaman group consists of 324 islands. Its capital is Port Blair. The capital of Lakshadweep is Kavaratti. Last one, Indian desert. The desert of Rajasthan, that is Thar Desert, lies to the west of the Aravalli Range. The soil in the Thar Desert is sandy. Rainfall is very scanty here. Scanty means very little. So most part of the region in the Thar Desert is a dry, barren and uninhabited. Due to the scarcity of water and unavailability of basic necessities, the population of this region is very less. Date palms and caravans pulled by camels are seen in this region. Northern desert of Rajasthan gets water for irrigation from Indira Gandhi Canal of Satluj River, so this has become a fertile area and favorable for agricultural growth. In Gujarat, the Ran of Kutch is divided into two parts, Big Ran and Small Ran. The Kutch Desert is saline. It appears as if the desert soil is covered with a white sheet. Such a desert region exists only in Kutch in the world. Here ends your seventh lesson. Thank you.